Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone, and it's October 16th. We got quite a few data this today, so basically this whole week was relatively light. However, the bigger ones that we were looking for is today. Let's start off with the retail sales for the month of September. So this is the headline news, and we'll go to explanados here. But the headline was at 0.6% growth month over month in August. However, forecasters calling for a 0.7% growth, and it'll over double that at 1.9%. So this is a fantastic read here on retail sales here. This is something that the markets are really liking. Obviously, consumers are out there feeling pretty good about things. Now, when you take out big ticket items like autos here, we had a 0.7% increase in the month of August. Forecast calling for a slight dip to 0.5%, and that too went up. So this was mostly the smaller items, not the big ticket items. That's obscuring the numbers here, and this went up at 1.5%. So this is obviously very good news. Now, something that didn't make this chart here for some reason, I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. Actually, it came up here. Consumer sentiment. It went up in the initial reading came in at last month's reading came in at 80.4. Forecast was supposed to be a slight uptick to 80.5%, and it went up 81.2. So the market is really liking this news so far today with regards to the retail sales, and obviously this kind of correlates with the consumer sentiment that people are feeling much better about where things are at, so they're spending more money. Those who have obviously jobs, they're spending more money. Now, some lower level ones here to kind of look at are capacity utilization for the month of September. So in August, we had a 71.4. Forecast is supposed to be about half a point uptick to 71.5. I'm sorry, 71.9. However, it only went up 71.5. So it went up slightly, but not that much. Now, here's the one thing we're going to really keep our eye on is industrial production. This is one thing that will kind of markets will keep their eye on. In August, it went up 0.4%. However, it was supposed to increase another 0.5% in September, but it went the opposite direction to it dropped by 0.6%. So instead of going upwards, it went into negative territory, and this is something we'll definitely want to keep our eyes on, as this may kind of indicate the economy is going the opposite direction. Last but not least, we got business inventories for the month of August. This is kind of like businesses, it shows you an indication if they're stocking up, if things are gearing up. So in July, it went up 0.1%. Forecast calling for 0.4%, and only went up 0.3% in the month of August here. So overall, some mixed reports. We got the sales and consumer sentiment, which were good. However, production is something we have to is a little bit of a concern here. So let's jump ahead and see what's going on with the again with the headline news. As you can see here, stock market is up. It's actually kind of taking a reversal from what we saw earlier this week, where maybe starting positive territory and went to negative, and then yesterday was in negative territory. We're still getting some third quarter corporate earnings, but nothing really relevant to report today on that. It's kind of minor today. We got some coronavirus updates. Looks like Pfizer saying they may have some emergency, if needed, late stage trials that could be coming out next month and by end of next month, which is helping a little bit of things. Of course, we're starting to see some numbers rise in a few areas, including Europe, but also a few of the states here in the U.S. So that's, of course, on there. Impasse on stimulus bill, that's going to be the big question. We're seeing some mixed signals there where Democrats got a pretty big spending bill. They wanted like $2.2 trillion. Donald Trump basically said he wants to increase it. He at one point said 1.8. But however, we also got Mitch McConnell, head of the Senate, and he basically had said he doesn't really want to go above $500 billion. So we're still at odds here as to how we can negotiate and get something out there, and we'll have to kind of wait and see if something is going to be released prior to the elections. Let's go ahead and jump see how this is affecting the bond market and what mortgage rates might be doing. So late in the day, we were up kind of a bit here. We're up at even 9 basis points, so it was looking pretty good there. And then we had kind of a late surge there, dropped below the 50 and 25-day moving average, which became our floor. Now is our ceiling. So as you can see here, we're down approximately 2 basis points and are trying to break above its ceiling again, and we're getting this kind of uncertain effect here. We'll have to kind of wait and see if the stocks continue in that mode, if that trend, and pull some out. Let's take a look here at yields. Yields are also kind of adding pressure. We're up, broke above this technical level, now up to just over 0.74%, where we were just below the 0.72, and we're hoping to drop even below 0.7. But again, we didn't get as lucky so far. But in terms of pricing, we could see a price for the worst due to yesterday's decline as well as today's. Some lenders may be pricing a little bit worse today as a result. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. If you guys are in the market to refinance or purchase, stay tuned. I'll leave a link at the end of the video as well as in the description. You can find some information that on questions you may have regarding loan programs, to different questions you may have regarding the process. If you don't find that information on there, my information will be on that website. You can reach out to me. I am a loan officer as well as I work with a national lender. We can help in many different states. Feel free to reach out. We can help you out with your pre-approvals if you're looking to buy, or if you and finance the next property, as well as different refinance solutions we can also provide. So in any case, again, please feel free to stay tuned, catch the video, end of the video, and see the link, and then also to answer any questions. If you don't have the answers that you're looking for, please feel free to reach out anytime. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you on Monday's video. Bye-bye.